So the question posed by this video is Mike mad? Because Hattons have got a sale on at the moment, and you may know, or some of you may know, I'm particularly fond of World War II livery locos, and obviously Southern locos. And they had this N15 King Arthur named Camelot on sale for a fraction over half price of what it normally would be, and they're obviously getting rid of their stock. But I really couldn't resist. But have I just bought myself a whole world of trouble again? Because I'm suspecting this is very similar to the S15, which had those motor problems. Anyway, let's get it out and see what we've got. Well, as often the case, it is a thing of beauty once you do get it out. Let's have a look in the cab. Oh my, that's rather nice, isn't it? You even get some crew to fit. A little bit basic, but probably alright. And the accessory pack. Well, let's get it onto the test track and see if it works. So here we are on the track. That's rather nice. Let's bring her back. Speeding up a little bit. And let's have a look at the current. Fluctuating around the 70 milliamp mark, which is really nice. Actually, it's quite low. So I suppose the first thing I'm going to do is give her a proper run in downstairs. It was sort of 20 minutes each way. If she's still okay, fit the details, and then I'll introduce you to her in a proper video, which will go very nicely with my wartime black merchant navy. And in fact, all my wartime locos. Wow. Hornby can produce a beautiful looking loco, but they can also produce an absolute pup mechanically. Let's hope this is not one of them. So what do you think? Is Mike mad, or is this going to be a good one? Let me know in the comments.